5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, Cygnus lifting off on top of its Antares rocket on its mission to deliver supplies and science to the International Space Station.
DHS and CBC are nominal.
The first stage is now burning and will burn for 3 minutes and 20 seconds of flight before it cuts off at just about 3.5 minutes into the flight. That provides the initial thrust to get Cygnus going on its journey to orbit.
Altitude is passing 10,000 feet. Engines are throttling to 55% power.
Now more than 10,000 feet above the Earth, and everything proceeding smoothly.
And core pressures remain nominal. Vehicle engines are back up to full power. Nominal chamber pressure on the main engine. Power remains nominal. Altitude passing 30,000 feet. Engines remain nominal, as do core pressures.
Crowd watching the